Whenever you looked up into night sky, you will notice the spectacular trail of stars. This is our Milky Way. An immense, flat, disc-shaped collection of gas, dust, and stars that spreads around 100,000 light-years across and is several thousand light-years thick. Every star we see with our naked eyes is in the Milky Way galaxy. The only object you can see in the sky of the Milky Way with your naked eyes is the Andromeda Galaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is the largest galaxy in the local group, more than twice the size of the Milky Way. Scientists predicted that these both huge galaxies are set on a collision. So, how will they collide? What will happen to our home planet? Will we survive? Hello and welcome to Question Spot. Today we will explore the answer of when Milky Way and Andromeda galaxies will collide. So let's get started. 4 billion years from now, our galaxy, the Milky Way, will collide with our large spiraled neighbor, Andromeda. The galaxies as we know them will not survive. In fact, our solar system is going to outlive our galaxy. Currently, Andromeda and the Milky Way are about 2.5 million light-years apart. Fueled by gravity, the two galaxies are hurtling toward one another at 402,000 kilometers per hour. But even at that speed, they won't meet for another 4 billion years. Then, the two galaxies will collide head-on and fly through one another, leaving gassy, starry tendrils in their wakes. For eons, the pair will continue to come together and fly apart, scrambling stars and redrawing constellations until eventually, after a billion or so years have passed, the two galaxies merge. Then, the solar system will have a new cosmic address, a giant elliptical galaxy, formed by the collision and merger of the Milky Way and Andromeda. Let's name it Milkydromeda. Comment down your ideas for the name of this new galaxy. Story doesn't end here. What will happen to Earth? Will we survive? It's hard to imagine that our solar system could survive such a violent event, but experts say that it likely will. The reason we think that our solar system will not be much affected by this collision is that galaxies are mostly empty space. At that point, the sun will not yet be a red giant star, but it will have grown bright enough to roast Earth's surface. Any life form still there, though, will be treated to some pretty spectacular cosmic choreography. After 6 billion years of cosmic carnage, Earth's night sky would be ablaze with the elliptical galaxy's bright, new core, if it weren't for the fact that the sun will likely swallow Earth in about 5 billion years. I hope you have learned something new today. If yes, then explore the subscribe button and hit it. Also watch my other videos here. Don't forget to ask your questions below. Let's explore all at one spot. Thank you.